Week 2 of the double murder trial of Alex-Murdaugh. The former Low Country attorney is accused of killing his wife Maggie and his youngest son Paul back in June of 2021.
All right, let's get into what happened in the trial today. We've got team coverage for you down in Walterboro. Surprising testimony came to light in court today with something the jury had been waiting to hear. We're going to start with Kaylin Hagwood and more on what was said and about the bullets that had been tested at the scene. Kaylin.
Well, Andrea, at this hour, the defense is working to contradict what could be considered as bombshell testimony in this trial. I want to take you into the courtroom with SLED agent Paul Greer, who has been testifying for much of the day. He's a firearms analyst. He said that bullets found at the crime scene likely match those of weapons found at Murdaugh's home. He spoke for hours about shell casings, ruling out other guns at the property that could have been used in the crime, and mirroring prosecution statements that an AR-style rifle and shotgun were likely used to kill Maggie and Paul. Now, defense attorneys for Murdaugh pushed back in cross-examination, saying just because the bullets matched weapons Murdaugh owned doesn't mean he fired the shots.
You cannot, and you did not, and you are not offering an opinion that item 22 shotgun was used to murder Paul Murdaugh, correct?
My result was inconclusive, and what that ultimately means is I'm not able to determine that. It's a possibility that it could have been fired by that shotgun, and it also could have been another firearm with similar characteristics.
Well, Murdaugh's finances were also back in the spotlight today. In testimony the jury didn't get to hear. Whether or not they will get to hear those comments in the days ahead is still being decided. Reporting live here in Colton County, I'm Kaylin Hagwood.